Alright you guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Javier. In today's video, we're going to pretty much reset up the 10-gallon freshwater fish tank. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let us know down below in the comment section what you guys want us to do next. So we're going to go ahead and start, and on to the video. Alright, so now we're pretty much taking everything out the tank. I took out our live plants already, some of our decor. I'm going to take out all the gravel so we can rinse it all off. And then I'm going to go ahead and air everything back in the tank, put in clean fresh water, and I'm going to show you guys the final product. So now we're pretty much going to add back in the planted substrate. This is what helps keep our plants alive. It's like potting soil, but for aquariums. So it's also safe for your fish. Alright, next we're gonna go ahead and plant our plants. I think this one here is just a bamboo plant, so we're gonna pretty much go ahead and make a little spot for it. Then we're gonna cover up the roots with some more of the substrate and pretty much do the same thing for all of the other ones. And this pretty much keeps it up straight. Then I got some of these, but I don't remember what these are called. But you can get all of these at like PetSmart or Petco, or any local fish store. They're pretty common. And then we're gonna put this last one somewhere in this little corner. We're gonna put our little skull, maybe about here, somewhere in the center, a little off a little bit. Our bench, dig it down like that, and our thermometer we'll put over on this glass so we can keep an eye on the temperature. Not that we need to, because we have a heater and everything for the tank. So pretty much this is how it's gonna look, but with water. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the garage, so that way when we put the water in the tank, it won't be heavy, so I don't gotta move it with the water inside of it. And it's just pretty much a temporary spot till I build a stand. So, right, so pretty much now this is a little temporary spot that we're gonna put the tank for now till I build a couple stands. We're gonna put this one up. We have a 55-gallon down there that I have to go ahead and clean out, and that's gonna be another freshwater tank. So pretty much we have 2 filters running on this fish tank. Not that we need it, but you know, extra filter never hurts. So right here we got our water heater. We got our light source. Gonna put that pretty much over here. And it also comes with like a little gauge, like a little button, so you can pretty much control. You can put it on a timer, 6, 10, or 12-hour timer. You can change the colors. You can have white or blue light, or mix it however you want it. So it's a pretty cool light. So pretty much this is almost the last steps before we go ahead and add the water. And we'll be back once we start filling it up. All right, y'all. So pretty much we're adding the water to the tank. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the product that I use. Prime. This right here pretty much takes out all the chlorine, the nitrates, nitrites, ammonia out of your water, so it makes your water safe. Then we got Stability, which also pretty much adds in all the bacteria that you need for your tank to help your, you know, the beneficial bacteria so your fish can be healthy. I'm also gonna add a little bit API Leaf Zone because there's a planted aquarium. This helps with your plants. And I have a little bit of API Aquarium Salt, which is pretty much, it says right here in the box, promotes fish health, improves gill function. So a little bit of this pretty much helps keep your fish healthy. It's gonna pretty much fill it pretty quickly because we're using the hose. It's only a 10-gallon aquarium. All right, you guys, as you can see, this is pretty much the final product. You see how much the water cleared up. There go our 4 guppies on our 2 Cory catfish. Let's see if you can see from above. You can see we got the other filter going as well, so pretty much both are going at the same time. Like I said, 2 filters are better than 1. The more filtration, the better your water quality is. And as you can see, there's a lot of oxygen being flowed into the water as well, so we don't have to really get an aerator, but I do have aerators if I need to add any. But as you can see, our guppies are doing pretty well. They're swimming around throughout the entire tank. Like I said, we have 3 females and 1 male. The male is right there, the orange one. And then the other 3 are all females, so hopefully we get some more babies. And then we're also gonna go ahead and probably add some mollies and some platies. And eventually, like we said, we're gonna go upgrade to the 55, which we already have. I just have to go ahead and clean it out. And I have to go ahead and build the stand. So it's pretty much gonna be 2 stands over there, or just 1 big one. It's gonna be made out of wood. I'm gonna make a video on how I make the stands. So pretty much we're gonna have this tank, the 55-gallon tank, and I have another smaller tank that's a 5-gallon that I might set up as well, kind of like a quarantine tank. So when we buy new fish, we can kind of put them in there for a couple of days or a week or so, just to see how they do, so that we don't mix them in with our healthy fish. And you know, you guys just subscribe so you guys can go ahead and see the journey that we make, and see in a couple of weeks if we have some new baby guppies, and see what else we add to the tank. So until next time, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.